Hello everyone, this video is all about computer vision, so let's begin. First things first, what is computer vision? Picture this, it's like giving super sight to computers, allowing them to comprehend pictures and videos just like we do. This extraordinary capability empowers machines to recognize objects, make decisions, and even take the wheel in driving cars. It's essentially about teaching computers to see and understand the visual world around them. Now, let's get into the nitty gritty of how computer vision works. Imagine it as a three-step process. Input. Cameras or sensors capture the visual data, turning the physical world into digital information. Processing. Clever computer programs analyze these visuals, identifying patterns and comprehending the content. Output. Armed with this understanding, the computer can do incredible things from identifying objects to guiding a robot's movements. Now, let's explore the key components that make this magic happen. Image pre-processing. Think of it as cleaning up the pictures, making them crystal clear for the computer's understanding. Feature extraction. This involves picking out special details in the picture that acts as clues for the computer to recognize things. Machine learning algorithms. These algorithms train the computer to recognize patterns, allowing them to make smart decisions. Neural networks. These are like the brains of the operation, tackling more complex tasks with finesse. Computer vision isn't just powerful, it's also incredibly versatile. Check out these popular techniques. Image classification. It's like sorting pictures into different categories based on their content. Object detection. This technique finds and names things in pictures or videos. Facial recognition. Ever wondered how your phone recognizes your face? That's thanks to facial recognition. Now let's talk about the hurdles that computer vision faces. Ambient conditions. Changes in lighting, weather, and the environment can throw a curveball at visual data analysis. Image noise. Sometimes there's interference or distortion in images that can confuse the computer in recognizing patterns. Occultation. When things are partially or completely hidden in a picture, it can be a puzzle for the computer to understand. Computer vision isn't just theoretical, it's making waves in various industries. Healthcare. Imagine computers assisting doctors in diagnosing medical conditions through detailed medical imaging. Automotive. Enabling autonomous vehicles like self-driving cars to navigate and identify obstacles for safer journeys. Retail. Transforming the shopping experience with automated checkout and efficient inventory management. Security. Keeping us safe by monitoring and analyzing video footage for threat detection and surveillance. Manufacturing. Ensuring top-notch quality control through visual inspections of products. So there you have it, computer vision unraveled. We have covered a lot in this video. If you found it informative, then don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to DT's Learning Insights for more intriguing content. Stay tuned for upcoming videos. Until then, it's me, Tanvita, signing off. Thanks for watching.